Hi friends, in today's video, I will be explaining about the basic queries that the most of the beginners like students and professionals would have about UI UX scope and career options. So if you're interested in user research, analytical thinking, visual design, the psychology of human computer interaction, along with the basic knowledge on technical skills like mobile website design, then you are at the right place. UI UX design career is right fit for you. Before I start, just one request, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for similar UX informative videos. So first, let's see what is a career scopes in UI UX design. So if you're thinking what is the scope in UI UX design, I would say it's huge. UI UX has a huge scope all over the world. Believe me guys. In the last decade, we have seen things change radically in UI UX field. In today's digital world, a brand that does not exist on the web, practically it doesn't exist for the customers. And when on the web, what becomes the face of the brand? Its website or mobile app. So the app or website will practically represent the brand and it will build connections between the consumer and the brand. So having a good user experience becomes very, very crucial. Hence, scope for the UI UX professionals in this field is huge. So what does the role and responsibilities of UI UX designer? As I've covered in my previous video, I'll just quickly recap about the roles and responsibilities of the UI and UX designer. So the UI designer looks into the layouts and the grids, the visual design, branding, design systems, and the deliverables. UX designer is responsible for the planning, user research, information architecture, task flows, user flow, and creating the wireframe. So who can become a UI UX designer? Students who have studied in graduation subjects like arts, humanities, psychology, BBA, etc., or even working professionals from marketing industries like digital marketing, content writers, marketing executives, branding consultants, etc., like graphic designer, mobile app developers, or website developers. Anyone can become the UI UX designer. So now let's talk about the different job roles in the UX industry. User researcher, wireframe expert, content strategist, information architecture, usability tester, interaction designer, visual designer, that is UI designer, UX developer or UI developer, product designer. So let's talk about UI UX salaries across the globe. The average salary from the entire, if you see this graph, is around 15.5 lakh per annum. So that's a good amount, or that's a good salary range, I would say. So just to conclude, UX has a very bright future in coming years and decades, and it will continue to grow as one of the high job generating industries in coming years. Yeah, so that's it guys for today's video. I hope I tried to explain in very simple examples that would help you to clear your concepts. If you guys have any questions, any queries, or any comments, please mention in the below comment box. And if you like my video, please hit the like. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Take care. Bye. See you in the next video.